dive deep into the world of mental health and wellness. Hi, good day. My name is Maria Mitos Wenceslao, and today we have an enlightening discussion lined up for you. We all know that stresses nowadays are common and that affects our mental health. Yet, it's a topic that often shrouded in silence and stigma. But here on Talk Talk, Student Voices and Experiences, we believe in breaking down those barriers and fostering open conversations. Hi, my name is Abigail Stephanie Biduay and your host for today. And today, we will be exploring the ways of self-care and ways to prioritize our mental health well-being. In a world that's constantly demanding our attention, from managing stress levels to finding balance in our hectic lives, we will be covering it all. But before we dive in, let's remember that mental health is not just about absence of illness. It's about thriving and living our best lives. So let's embark on this journey together and empower each other to prioritize a mental wellness. So stay tuned for an insightful conversation ahead in Thought Talks, Student Voices and Experiences. Starts now. We're back with the first episode of Minds Over Matter, together with our special guest for today's episode. Let us give them a warm of applause. Welcome to the first episode of Mind Over Matter, which we will talk about mental health awareness. But before we proceed to our topic, please introduce yourselves first.
Hi everyone, I am Pauline Gracie America and I'm from Session Club. Hi everyone, my name is Martin Vizquel and I'm from PFC Club. And without further ado, let us now get started.
As a student, you often feel stressed, sometimes due to academic stress. So, how do you typically manage stressful situation or overcome challenges that might impact your mental well-being as a DDC student?
So as a student, no, we often feel stressed man jud. So for me, akong ginabot is that nag-take a break ko from social media and nag-talk ko sa ko mga friends, nagapangayat ko sila mga advices. Pero usually man good, diba, if mag-Facebook man good ka, social media, daga jud ang mga post good na mo come up na kana very toxic jud siya kaayo. So for me, murag ginaset aside na ko siya and murag mag-talk ko sa ko mga friends pa in order na kanang maka-escape good ko sa ko mga academic pressure and mga something na makaano gusto ko.
So as a student, it's normal man na maka-feel ta og stress, no. So ako ang way to overcome stress is syempre mag-talk ko sa akong parents. Kay first man jud is I can relate nga mas stress jud ang student kay daghan kitag buhaton. So akong first jud nga madaganan is akong mama. Kay best friend man ako siya and I can easily share everything sa iyaha and ma-understand ko niya. Second is, hate jud ako maka-feel og stress. So, as much as possible, gusto na ako mabuhat akong mga task kanang before ay after nako ipasa nga matarong jud nako siya so that maingon ako nga gibuhat ako ang best yung dili ko ma-stress sa kana nga matter nato.
So, comfort, taking a break, and asking for advice is also a sign of a good strategy or coping mechanisms in maintaining a good mental health well-being. So, what advice can you give to new students to help them alleviate stress?
So ako as a student, akong maingon lang is always do what you're afraid to do kay you never know man no. What if kana di ay kay mas ma-figure out nimo imong sarili dira ang part and kung lang pud ka sa imong fear then mahimo pud kang coward. So I think dapat i-build nimo imong self-confidence o i-manage nimong time very important na kay very stressful man jud ang ato ang life as a student and daghang tagbuhaton. So managing time is very important jud para mabalance nato mabalance nato atong academics, balance nato ang sarili, atong family o self-love pod.
Well, for me, no, ako ang advice is you need to step up and you need to think outside the box. But you need to you need to maintain a positive outlook to sa imong surroundings. Like you don't need to think na kanang negative lang pero may ang maabot sa imong ba. But you should think na tanan ng mga things na imong buhaton kay like capable ka of doing it because naman kay own strength, na kay own capabilities ba to do it. So
Incoherent to the DDC taglines, it shows #DDC Mental Health. How can we, as a student and a peer facilitator club, work together to create a more supportive environment for everyone?
So I think para sa to ang mga mas nice environment sa students is kini nga talk show is isa siya sa murag nag-highlight sa students na at least the activity na ilan ma-aware sila sa ato ang ginabuhat and enable for them na makitaan na ready di ay maghatag sa advice, ready di ay na mag-guide sa ilaha. And I think kanang important kay ni siya nga project kay kita mga students na ako'y nag-look up sa tuwa since senior man ka. Very important yun siya kay dira man nila makita nga kung kaya sa dahil ako and mao nagkanahan ko sa talk show.
well, for me, no, this talk show is very, very helpful to mga people na nag-struggle with their own mental health. So, mga ko is that need na to mag-work together ba? Like, i-gather goods na to sila and then i-talk about na to ilang mga feelings ba? Like, parang ma-feel ko nila sa ilang sarap na valid ilang feelings ba? Like, napag-like someone na nag-ano sila pa, nag-listen to sila. And napos na ka na someone good na ginalook up good ba? Kasi syempre, mga actors and police na to. It's very important po na na-upload ka ng parang mas older ba na mag-guide sila throughout their journey, sila pagiging like senior high ba as an incoming grade 12 student.
Thank you very much, Ms. Laha and Ms. Morby. So by wrapping up our first episode of Mind Over Matter, we are here to remind you that mental health is just as important as physical health. It's time to break down the stigma and talk openly about the importance of our mental well-being. Let's have an open and honest conversations about mental health and spread awareness so that more people can access to the support they need. So that's it, everyone, for our first episode of Mind Over Matter. Don't forget that in Davao Doctors College, as we value life, we value your mental health. So enroll now at Davao Doctors College.
And please join Society of Elite School Ambassadors Club.
And Peer Facilitators Club.
And see you in the next episode of Talk Talk Student Voices and Experiences. Bye!